You've got full Wi-Fi bars, but the internet still won't load. So aren't Wi-Fi and the internet the same thing? Nope, and the difference is simple. Wi-Fi and the internet are two very different parts of how you get online. The internet is the giant global network, all the world's information living on computers everywhere. It's a massive web of cables and servers spanning the entire globe, connecting billions of devices together in one huge system. Wi-Fi is just the wireless bridge that connects your phone to that network inside your home. It's the invisible signal that travels from your router to your device, acting like a short-range invisible cable. Think of it like water. The internet is the city's water supply, the massive reservoirs and treatment plants that provide water to everyone. Wi-Fi is the pipe in your house that brings that water to your tap. Full Wi-Fi bars means your pipe works great. The connection between your phone and the router is strong. But if the city's supply is cut, no water comes out, no matter how good your pipe is. That's why full bars but nothing loads happens. Your Wi-Fi is fine, but the internet from your provider is down. Restarting your router fixes the pipe. But if the outage is your provider's, you just have to wait. And that free Wi-Fi at a cafe? That's just their pipe. You still need their internet to actually be working to get online. If their provider has an issue, those full bars won't help you check your email. So, Wi-Fi connects you to the internet. It isn't the internet itself. Pipe versus water supply. If Bit cleared that up, subscribe for one simple tech idea every few days. See you next time.